In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Substack. Substack is a popular platform for independent writers and publishers, and sometimes you might run into a technical issue or need some guidance. Knowing how to reach out for support can make all the difference. Let's walk through the process of contacting Substack support together. First, let's start with the most direct way. When you're in your Substack dashboard, navigate away from the Home tab. You can click on the Post tab or another option available to you. This is where the magic happens. Once on a different tab, look to the bottom right corner of your page. You'll notice a helpful option labeled Ask a Question. This is your gateway to connect directly with Substack support. Click on Ask a Question and a chat window will pop up. Here you have the opportunity to type out your query, sharing the details of the issue or question you have. Providing as much information as possible will speed up the response time, since the support team will have everything they need to assist you effectively. It's a straightforward and efficient way to get the help you need right within the platform you're already using. Be patient as you wait for their response, as they could be assisting other users, but rest assured your inquiry will be attended to. If chatting directly isn't your preferred method, or if the query is more comprehensive, consider the option of email. Sending an email to Substack is simple and allows you to lay out your questions or issues in a detailed format. For general support inquiries, you can email them at support@substack.com. Make sure to include any relevant details about your account and the issue you're experiencing. Emails are great for more complex questions that might require detailed explanations, or for when you need to include attachments or screenshots of your problem. There are also times when your concerns might be specifically related to privacy or data requests. In these situations, utilizing the proper channels ensures your query is handled with the right attention and expertise. For privacy-related issues, reach out directly to privacy@substackinc.com. When contacting them about privacy concerns, be sure to clearly explain your concern or the data request to ensure a prompt and accurate response. So there you have it. 3 straightforward ways to get in touch with Substack support, whether you prefer quick, direct conversation via chat, the detail-oriented approach of email, or handling privacy issues specifically. Remember, the key is clear, concise communication to ensure the best possible assistance from the support team. Thanks for watching, and we hope your experience with Substack continues to be smooth and productive.